We just finished a preschool here, about 20,000 feet. I'll show you how many rooms we did, all kind of colors, and you see it looks beautiful.
Okay, so we used this LVT tile with an Ultrabound 360 glue, a very strong glue. Held it for years and years. We did a green base to match the frames, to match everything around. So since this is the front entrance and a lot of traffic comes through this way in the rain and in the snow, this is a very strong tile, very durable and practical. It can last for many years, and that's why we did specifically this kind of tile at the entrance of this facility. So over here, as you can see, we changed the color of the stair treads to green to match the siding of the banisters. Everything is different colored just to match the walls, and it blends perfectly with the yellow and the green. Everything what the designer wanted us to do.
MPW Flooring did a beautiful job for us. Our schedule was complicated and we had them to work night shifts, and they gladly worked with us, and extremely flexible, very reliable, straightforward. I would use them again in a heartbeat, and I recommend you do the same.